Hey guys, for today's video we have the Amazon Basics Executive Chair. As part of the home office series, I thought that this would be a useful addition to the equipment that we already have. Let's begin. But before we begin, please take a moment of your time to hit that like button and the subscribe button so I know that you like to see content like this and I can continue to make more content like this. So now let's take a look around the box. At the front we have Amazon Basics High Back Executive Chair, and how much was it? 18,000 rupees, but I got it for about 9,000. I'll drop a link down in the description, and you can just follow up there. So it's distributed by Cloudtail, and around here we have thank you for joining our effort to protect the environment. Reducing packing material is one step towards a greener future. Okay, that's pretty nice. It's a big box and it's not covered by an extra box, so some more shipping details. And caution, heavy object, 2 people required to lift. Okay. And around the other side there's nothing much, so sorry for my finger. And let's continue with unboxing the box. Now that we're done with the unboxing, here are the contents of the box. Down here we have the adjustment mechanism. Here are the 2 armrests. That's the bottom support structure where all the wheels go. Those are the cushions, and these are all the materials required for combining all these elements. And the gas cylinder is down there. So yeah, let's assemble this and I'll show you the end product. Now after that small montage, here we have the completed chair in all its glory. It's actually quite small. It fits me perfectly, but not so much for my father. Other than that, it's a pretty good chair. And it's really smooth. So if you can spin it once and it goes flying, I just give it a tiny little push and off it goes. So right here we can see the completed setup. We have the setup right there, and this is the chair. I've been using this chair for a few days now, and it is, must I say, pretty good. It's really comfortable, although it is a little small. And then if I just give it a tiny push, I go flying and I will stop myself. So the chair is pretty good all in all. And yeah, see you guys next time.